lovelies, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and welcome to another series of Shaunz Says. Now in today's video I'll be talking a little bit about the Megan Thee Stallion situation. I felt so inclined to speak about it because I just want to say something that's on my heart, and as a woman. Now I have been sort of following the story, you know, in bits and pieces on Instagram, and it's been really sad because, you know, she was allegedly shot in both feet. And then she came and she confirmed that she was shot in both feet by Tory Lanez. Now I want to pull up her video a bit and let you guys listen. But before I go any further, I just want to say it's so sad, and you know, we're in a time where we're fighting for equal rights and we're fighting for justice, and for another person, for one of us to inflict pain and damage on another one, it's just beyond me, and it's such a sad situation. And you know, a lot of people, you know what really annoyed me as well, guys? A lot of people were mocking her on social media. Instead of rallying around her and showing empathy and sympathy, they were making fun of the situation, and they were making light of the situation. I mean, there is nothing fun about being shot, and the fact that, you know, I saw women like jeering her and making fun and saying it's a publicity stunt and it's for, you know, attention and all that. And I'm thinking, why would somebody make up a story about them being shot? I mean, it's bad enough that it hurts. It hurts her physically, and then it hurts her also emotionally as well, because people have been mocking her and saying that, you know, it's not true and she's just trying to get attention and so on and so forth. And it's so sad because, you know, my people, we should be coming together and, you know, loving each other and supporting each other, instead of, you know, mocking somebody else when they've been injured, especially being shot. It's a sad situation, and I had to come on here and tell you guys how I felt about it. I felt really awful to my stomach. I'm sad about it, and I felt really bad for Megan that at that point nobody was defending her, and so she just felt alone and she felt betrayed by her own friends. Imagine that, she felt so betrayed by her own friends, and that's even more sad because you trust your friends and you expect them to be around you and support you when you need them, and she said they never did. So basically it's just a sad situation through and through. But I just wanted to play what she said on Instagram. So let me just pull up that real quick.
A grown black woman really got any reason to be lying on another grown black man when all this stuff going on in the world right now? If you really want to tell the truth, I tried to save him. Even though he shot me, I tried to spare him. And y'all is not sparing me. That's crazy. I go through so much on a daily basis anyway. Then I have to get on the internet when I'm just trying to make my music, do my shit like always been. And I try to say this, and y'all on the internet talking about, oh, I ain't get shot, this, oh, free tour. Not in jail. He not in jail because I didn't tell the laws what happened as soon as it happened, and I should have. I'm smart. I didn't have to spare. I don't have to spare nobody, but I did, and I'm done. Y'all asking where people at? Why ain't nobody saying that? Ask them why they not saying that on the internet, acting like a black woman.
Okay guys, so in this clip she was saying that she was trying to defend Tory at the time, and you know, that's why she never really came out and said who shot her. But she was trying to defend him at the time and trying to protect him as a friend, as another black person. But, you know, he didn't really give a crap, really. So she had to just come out and tell the whole story. And it's so sad because, you know, she was trying to protect him, but was he trying to protect her? Think about it. I don't think he was trying to protect her. Whatever the reason was, he had no right to shoot her. I mean, why would you inflict pain on another person? There are different ways of handling situation, and I don't think pulling out a gun and shooting somebody is the answer to anything. And the fact that, you know, they were friends and he did that to her, that's really sad. And it says a lot about us. I mean, it says a lot about us as black people. We should be supporting each other, and for him to do that, you know, it's just terrible and it's despicable. And you know, I felt really sorry for Megan, because you can see that you know, she was really hurt by it. And as I said, not just physically, but emotionally, it played on her mind, because a lot of people were saying that it's fake and she wants attention and the whole bit. And to know that she was really hurt, and for people to be saying those things, she was really caught up about it. And you can tell by her Instagram stories, you can tell in her eyes that she's really sad. And you know, I feel bad for her, because she's at the pinnacle of her career right now. She's doing really well, and this was sort of a setback, but she didn't let that hold her back, because she's been doing really well. And I'm proud of her for doing that. I'm proud of her for pulling out of that situation and moving forward. And that shows you the strength of a woman, and it also shows you the strength of Megan Thee Stallion. So I hope that, you know, there will be justice, and I hope that justice will be served, and I hope that she will find peace, and I hope that she will heal as well, because it's a very terrible situation for anybody to be in, and also for anybody to be poking, you know, pointing fingers at her and saying that, oh, it's just attention seeking and it's just publicity stunt and stuff like that. That cuts even deeper, you know. So we need to do better, Black people. We need to do better. We need to, you know, especially our Black women, they're not protected, and they need to be protected even more, because we're fighting a battle. And we all know this, we're fighting a battle, and for us not to be protected is a very sad thing. So I just wanted to say that, you know, I just felt so inclined to speak about it from a woman's point of view, because I feel like we need to be protected more. And something I noticed on Instagram, I noticed that a lot of other male celebrities stepped forward, and I applaud them for that. They've stepped forward and they've said what's on their mind, and I applaud them as men stepping up and saying that we need to protect our women. And I really, you know, it was really good hearing that coming from other male, especially in the industry. It was really good hearing their point of view and how they felt about the situation. So as I said, I hope that justice will be served and Megan will find peace and heal very well. It's a very sad situation, and I feel bad for my sister, and I hope that she will heal and she will continue to prosper in her career. All right, guys, so that's all I wanted to talk about today. I just had this, it was just on my heart, and I had to come and say how I felt, because it wouldn't be right. I kept watching it, and every time I saw the clips, it just made me angry and sad, and I just wanted to come here and, you know, just air it out and let you guys know how my thoughts on it. And it's not good. We need to protect each other. Men need to protect the women, and the women need to protect the men. We need to protect each other, and we need to support and love each other. We need to be more kind. You know, we can be so mean, you know, and we need to just get rid of that and support each other. And you know, you would see how amazing things get for us as a people. We just need to support and love on each other even more. So that's it for today, guys. I do hope you enjoy this video, and I want to hear your thoughts on this topic as well. I want to know if you're following the story, what were your thoughts, and so on and so forth. So thank you so much for watching. I really wanted to come and speak to you guys about this. So thanks for watching. Thanks for hearing my thoughts on this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The button is down there. And whilst you're there, turn your notifications on as well. And of course, leave your comment down below to let me know your thoughts on the Megan Thee Stallion situation with Tory Lanez. And of course, follow me on all social media platforms. They are listed down below as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.